Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today we are gonna react to Justin performance sa NCAA season 100. It's a solo performance, by the way, ng kanta ng SB19 na Moonlight. And you guys have been requesting for us to react. And nung una hindi ko pa maintindihan yung comment, no, yung request na akala ko mali ako ng pagkaabasa. Akala ko, performance ng SB19 pinerform nila yung Moonlight sa NCAA. But when I realized it's just Justin performing Moonlight, I mean, that is interesting, you know? Just Justin performing the whole song, Moonlight. So, ano ba tong boko? Well, I am really excited with this, man. Again, Moonlight is my favorite, one of my favorite SB19 song, and you guys already know that. So without further ado, man, let's get it. Just one man standing.
In the moments when your face is next to mine and we don't show it.
Okay.
But we're thinking of the time, so put it in motion. My desire's taking over my emotions. My emotions want you in every way.
Hey.
Want you to scream my name.
just one man, just Justin singing the whole song, no? Sa gitna ng MOA Arena. God damn. Big boy moves, man. Ang ating bunso, no?
With my hands around your waist. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight.
Okay.
I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight.
Hey.
I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, like doing what we do in the moonlight.
Hey. Hey.
Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Okay, so titingnan natin yung second verse, 'di ba? Especially nung part ni Pablo dito. Kung siya rin may gagawa ng choreography. 'Di ba? Again, pero sila sariling 'di ba? No, pag sila yung naka-focus or yung every member ng SB19 yung kumakanta, again, iba yung focus, iba yung blocking. So, sa mga nakabilib dito kasi si Justin lang gawa lahat ngayon, no?
You don't wanna give me any reasons.
Okay.
Show me what to do or keep a secret.
Hey.
We can hide the feelings in
Okay. Bakit sobrang dami? Bakit sobrang dami ng tao?
between us. Just you and me, I'll never leave. Want you in every way. Want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. Yeah,
So tinanggal nila yung part na, 'di ba, yung pag yung camera angles nakaharap. Nakalimutan ko sino ba sa yung paglalakad ganyan, 'di ba? Tapos paglabas tatagos iba na. Ibang member na ng SB19.
like doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night.
Oh man, siya lang talaga, no?
Shadows on the ceiling, that's my favorite feeling.
Grabe ang dami.
Doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, doing what we do in the moonlight.
Hey. Grabe, ang dami dancer, no?
do in the moonlight. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Oh, man. Let's fucking go, man. Isa lang siya, no? Kinain niya yung buong performance, buong stage, man. Of course, with the help of, I assume other SW3. I don't know kung sino yung iba. Nakaputi. But, grabe, ito. Ang dami niya, no?
Ipinakikilala ang 10 pamantasang bumubu
Damn. The big boy moves, man. Just it alone. Let's go back to that, man.
No, you don't wanna give me any reasons. Show me what to do or keep it secret. We can hide the feelings in between us. Just you and me, I'll never leave. Want you in every way. Want you to scream my name with my hands around your waist. Yeah, la la, doing what we do.
Nalala ko ito mga ang dami, oh. Ang dami, man. Ang dami. Hindi ako makapaniwala na nakahanap sila ng, mga dancers. Nagito kadami. No? For this performance.
In the moonlight, I've been loving you, baby, all night.
Ano kaya feeling ni Justin dito sa gitna na to? Lahat ng tao sa paligid niya, no? Nasa gitna siya ng stage. Lahat ng tao sa paligid niya nakahiga. Siya lang nakatayo sa gitna ng MOA Arena. No? Siguro ako di na ako nakapagsalita. Ako lang mag-isa. Di na ako sobrang nervyos.
Moonlight, I've been loving you, baby, all
Look at this
night.
performance, man.
Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, la la la. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Hey!
I've been loving you, baby, all night. Baby, you and me are shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, la la la. Doing what we do.
Custom yung mic niya, no? Sa kanya lang talaga.
Yeah, la la la. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Hey! Hey! Let's go,
Doing
man.
what we do in the moonlight. Doing what we do in the moonlight.
Big up sa mga dancers, no? Fucking Justin! Big boy moves, man!
Ipinakikilala ang 10 pamantasang
Alright, well again, that is Justin Moonlight solo performance sa NCAA Season 100. Can't believe it, man! Hindi ako makapaniwala na mag-isa lang niyang perform yun, no? Sa gitna mismo ng MOA Arena. But yeah, I mean, hindi man sila 5 na nag-perform nito pero hindi kinulang, no? Kumbaga sa performance and entertainment and amazement para sa mga tao, 'di ba? I-expect mo na this is just the same nung nag-perform sa NCAA din ba 'yon? Nag-perform si Ken na siya lang mag-isa. Kinanta niya yung kanta niya. Forgot. Comment down below. Or I'm just gonna check later. But yeah. I mean, Justin ate that performance, no? Let's fucking go, man. Well, that is our reaction for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And again, if you want me to react to more of SB19, comment down below. If you want me to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, comment down below. We're gonna react to it. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. And peace.